what is the measure of angle ACB? This one in this corner. We know that the triangle angles all add up to 180. So far, we have these two angles, which have a total of 147. So the piece that is left over for that other angle will be the difference between 180 and 47. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Which means the measure of angle ACB must be 33 degrees. The same thing for EFD, the same process. So we have two angles already, which have a total of 141 degrees. So the missing piece will be the difference between 141 and 180. 10 minus 1 is 9, 7 minus 4 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the measure of angle EFD is 39 degrees.